Italy was the most unstable post-Roman region. If Gaul and Britain reveal different paths out of Roman rule, Italy reveals the cost of repeated attempts to restore it. More than any other region in the West, Italy experienced the collapse of imperial authority not once, but multiple times, and it is precisely this repetition that prevented political stability from taking root. Italy mattered symbolically in a way no other province did. It had been the heart of the Roman Empire, the seat of emperors, senators, and law. Even after political power shifted elsewhere, Rome remained an idea, an enduring symbol of universal authority. This symbolism shaped every post-Roman attempt to rule Italy. The Ostrogothic kingdom under Theodoric represents the most ambitious effort to preserve Roman order without Roman emperors. Theodoric did not present himself as a barbarian conqueror, but as a Roman-style ruler governing on behalf of the empire. He preserved the Senate, retained Roman administrators, protected Roman law, and maintained the tax system. To Roman elites, daily life under Theodoric often felt remarkably familiar. Yet this apparent continuity masked deep fragility. Ostrogothic rule depended on cooperation between a small Gothic military elite and a Roman civilian population. Authority rested not on institutions, but on the personal authority of Theodoric himself. When he died, the balance collapsed. Religious division, Arian Goths ruling Catholic Romans, intensified tensions, and political rivalries weakened cohesion. This fragility invited intervention. The Byzantine reconquest under Justinian was driven by the belief that Italy must be restored to imperial rule. In theory, this was a return to order. In practice, it was catastrophic. Years of warfare devastated cities, depopulated the countryside, destroyed infrastructure, and exhausted resources. Even when Byzantium succeeded militarily, it lacked the means to govern effectively. Italy emerged from the reconquest poorer, weaker, and less governable than before. Into this vacuum came the Lombards. Unlike the Ostrogoths, the Lombards did not attempt to preserve Roman administration comprehensively. Their invasion fragmented Italy into competing zones of power: Lombard duchies, Byzantine territories, and papal lands. Political authority became regional, military, and unstable. The irony is striking. Italy, the birthplace of empire, became the least stable region of post-Roman Europe precisely because it was never allowed to adapt organically. Repeated efforts to restore imperial authority prevented the emergence of durable local rule. Italy's experience teaches a crucial lesson. The preservation of Roman forms did not guarantee political success. In some cases, it actively hindered adaptation. Where power could not localize, it disintegrated.